Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you one more game called the bird hunting for the pie. So, let's see how it works. So, here's the code. If you want to see the code properly, you can stop the video and see the code. It's a very fun game, and the bird has to collect pies on it, and the fireballs could decrease the points of the bird. So, let's start playing it. There's a pie. Oh, I missed this. I just scored 1 point, and I've touched the fireball and lost a point. There is another pie, and I lost one more point, and again I lost one more point. I'm not able to catch any pie. Yeah, I scored a point. So, this is a very fun game, and if you want, I'm going to show you the code again. It's not a big code or even a small code, but if you want, you can just take a screenshot of it. So in this game, when the I can control the bird with the arrow keys given here. So you can see if I hit the right click, then it will go right, and then left, then up, and then down. So this is only for today, and if you like my video, like it, share it, and even make the red subscribe button gray. And don't forget to click on the bell icon. Thank you.